from the years 2010 to 2020. You'll notice that if you invested in Netflix in 2010, your $1,000 investment just 10 years later would be worth over 40 times your initial investment. Other notable holdings here are Domino's Pizza and Broadcom. Now, I do think this list leaves out Tesla because Tesla IPO'd not in 2010, but a little bit later in 2012, but that would probably be the top of this chart if it were included. Another notable company that's missing on there is Amazon, and if you had $1,000 of Amazon stock in 2010, well, by the end of 2020, it would have been worth over 25x your initial investment. Now, at the bottom here, you'll actually notice that the S&P 500, if you invested $1,000 back in 2010, it would be worth about $3,570 or about 3.5x in 10 years. So you can already see the stark contrast between picking good growth stocks and actually just going with the standard index fund of the S&P 500. So there is one caveat though that you need to be aware of, is that I'm only showing you guys the top 10 winners of the decade. Now, had you invested $1,000 into a company that went bankrupt, well, your $1,000 investment would now be worth zero. And that's ideally why you want to have diversification within your portfolio, so that in the case one does go bankrupt, at least